If you use your microwave a lot, this EZMO 2-in-1 collapsible splatter cover is one of those simple tools that makes cooking and cleanup so much easier. The brand sent me this to test out and I've been using it almost daily. It keeps your microwave clean by trapping splatters while the vented tops let steam escape, so your food heats evenly without making a mess. It's made from BPA-free, heat-resistant silicone and plastic that can handle up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. And the wide handles, they make it easy to lift hot dishes safely without worrying about burns. When you're done, it collapses down to just under 2 inches, so it barely takes up any space in your cabinet or drawer. Just keep in mind, it's meant for microwave use only, not convection or grill modes, and it's best to hand wash it to keep it lasting longer. Overall, it's a durable, practical kitchen essential that helps keep your microwave spotless and makes reheating food a whole lot cleaner and safer.